Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Here I've got a store-bought bag of frozen dinner rolls. It's just the dough, of course, but right now they're hard as rocks, so I'm going to show you a quick way to get these thawed out. As you can see, I'm just spreading them out evenly and giving them enough room to rise. Then you put them in the middle of a preheated oven with a bowl full of water. This will sustain the humidity and keep them from drying out. But you'll want to kill the heat immediately and let them rest in here for 1 hour. And your dough should turn out looking something like this. Fully risen and smooth, not dried out. Now just throw down some flour and get rolling these out. Now I don't care how you do it. It's not that complicated and they don't have to be perfect. Just give them a good stretch until you pull them nice and thin. Let's get this out of the way. You can use a rolling pin if you want, but I like to just stretch them until they're about the size of a small tortilla. Nothing to it. And once I've got several of them ready, I just add them to a baking sheet and start throwing down my sauce. And I'll give you links to both my pizza sauce and my Alfredo sauce if you'd like. But truthfully, I'm just pulling both of these sauces from jars I bought at the grocery store. So that's another quick option if you prefer. Now just add a thin layer of cheese, because we're going to add more later. We're just going to make basic cheese pizzas to make the shell. You just throw these on the bottom rack of your oven, and I set it to about 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 minutes. And if you do it right, they'll look like this. And they should easily shake loose and pull free from your baking sheet. And if you look at the bottom of these things, we're going to have a perfect taco shell. Just fold them in half, and I'm going to use this bread pan to keep its shape. But I like to double them up in here and stick them in back to back. You can also do this with a cupcake pan, flipped upside down. Now here I've got some Italian sausage. And in the Alfredo pizza, I'm going to throw down some chicken everywhere. Dang it. That's what I get for trying to work around the other side of my camera. But see, guys, this is what editing's for. But I'm a little bit lazy today. I don't care. I'm going to leave it in. But that piece ain't staying there. Nope. Okay, good to go. Now you want to just add more sauce. Alfredo and pizza sauce. The Alfredo's also going to get some chopped spinach. Cover them both with mozzarella cheese. Maybe a little more over here. And some baby pepperonis. Oh, they're so cute. Off to the oven one last time. This time on the middle rack for just a couple minutes. And voila! How about fast food style and a basket with some dipping sauce? And there you have it. Pizza tacos right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.